Parts of a speech, lesson number 1, noun and its type. Parts of a speech. A part of a speech describes the function of a word in a sentence. There are 8 basic parts of a speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Noun. Noun is a naming word. Examples: John, Pakistan, chair, cow. Types of noun. Common noun is used to name general group, people, place, or thing, etc. Proper noun is used to name specific people, place, or thing, etc. Common noun examples: boy, country, cat. Proper noun examples: Ahmed, Pakistan, Tom. Concrete noun is a noun you can experience and feel with your 5 senses. Abstract noun is a noun refers to an idea, feeling, quality, or a state that can't be experienced or feel with your 5 senses. Concrete noun examples: taste, apple, bread; smell, smoke, tea; see, sun, building; hear, thunder, noise; touch, book, sand. Abstract noun examples: ideas, dream; feeling, love; quality, bravery; state, depth, hot. Uncountable noun can't be counted. Examples: knowledge, air, help. Countable noun can be counted. Example: ball, car, fan. Collective noun, a word that names a set or group of people, places, or things, etc. Examples: crowd, flock. Compound noun, two or more words that create a noun. Examples: notebook, bedroom. This lecture is continued. For notes and worksheets, follow the link in description. And if you want more videos on any other topic, mention it in comment section. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe.